For this lesson, we're going to be creating a shaft. The basic overview: step 1, create the base feature. Step 2 will be rounding the edges. 3 will chamfer the edges. Step 4, suppress the round and chamfer features. 5, create the keyway. Step 6, create a hole. Step 7, pattern the hole. Step 8, resume all features. So the first thing you're going to want to do is set up your working directory. Once that's set, we'll open a new part. We'll label this part shaft. From here, we're going to go to Revolve on the Model tab. Go to the front datum. Go to Sketch View. And draw your center line for the Revolve feature. There is a difference between the datum center and the sketch center line. For the Revolve feature, we want to use the datum center line. Now we will create a profile with all 14 points. The first thing we're going to want to do is delete all of the L2, L3, and L4 constraints. So just click on them and press delete to get rid of those. Then we can set up our horizontal restraint. So click on horizontal restraint. Click there, click there. That sets those two up as even. Same thing across. Now we can begin to edit our dimensions. Click on Dimensions, click Modify. Make sure to unclick Regenerate. And click on your dimensions to add them in the box. Okay, top dimension is 0.5. Next is 2.5. Next is 1.5. Then 7. 3. 0.75. 0.6. 0.5. Click OK. Now you can click OK to exit the feature and go back to standard orientation. Next, we're going to hide our datums. Next, we will fillet the edges by selecting round. Click on that inside edge, and it's going to be 0.02. And there will be 4 edges in total that need to be rounded. You can rotate. And don't forget that you can rotate the object by holding down the Control and Scroll key and moving the mouse. It allows you to keep a specific point of rotation. We can click OK now. Next, we will chamfer the ends of the shaft. This will be at 45, at 0.05. We will select the outer edges. And note that chamfers on the end allow the shaft to be inserted into openings easily. We can click OK to exit the feature. Back to standard orientation. And now we're going to work on changing layers. Click on Layers on the model tree. Expand Layers. Notice that the Revolve section is now showing a sketch. Now we will change layers on the model. Layers are useful for organizing the model. For example, deleting, reordering, suppressing, or resuming features. They do not affect the solid geometry of the part or object. However, suppressing a layer suppresses the geometric features contained in that layer. Click on Layers icon again and click Layer Tree. The display status of a layer can be set to Show or Blank or Isolate to display only particular layers. You are no longer seeing the model tree, now it's showing a layer tree. Click on the New Layer icon. Select a new layer. In the dialog box, name the layer rounds underscore chamfer. To include features on the layer, go back to the model tree, click Layers, Model Tree. Click Chamfer and Rounds, click OK. If you go back to the model tree, then you can see where the layer is located. We are going to hide the layer. Now we will go back to the model tree so that we can generate the geometry of the keyway. Under Display Options, show your datum planes. We will be choosing Extrude, and we're going to create a new datum plane. Click on Datum, select the top or front planes, and we're going to offset the translation 0.3. Click OK. Click on Play to resume the feature. Back to Sketch View, and zoom to the right edge of the shaft. Next, we're going to select References to add the right edge of the shaft. Go to References, click on the edge of the shaft, click Close. We'll be using our Line tool, draw a line from the edge inwards, then to Arc, create an arc, back to the Line tool, back across, and close it off. You can hit Escape or the center wheel on the mouse, and we're going to adjust dimensions now. First dimension will be 0.4, radius 0.1. Click OK. Now we need to make sure to remove material. We don't want it going all the way through, so you need to change the depth to 0.1. Click OK. Back to standard orientation. Now we're going to create the hole features. So select Hole, select the primary surface of the shaft. We want a through all, diameter of 0.375. Okay, so we clicked on the placement dialog box, and we're going to choose the type radial from the drop down menu. Offset references, click there. Now you're going to want to choose your two references. Under radius, we're going to want to put 1, and for the angle, 45. Click OK, and back to standard orientation. Now we need to pattern the hole feature. Select the hole and hit the Pattern button under the Model tab. Next, we will select the angle on the model, set it to 90 degrees, and press Enter. And under Pattern, 4. Click OK. Back to standard orientation, and save the part.